Welcome to our sneak peek into ABR Model Works and our new range of HO scale buildings and structures. Plus we also have a new range of 3D printed scenic detail parts. We've been working on bringing this range of HO scale products to market for the last 12 months, and today I am very excited in being able to share some of those products with you. So stick around to the end of the video because we also have a special bonus just for you. Hi, I'm Chris, the modeler at ABR Model Works, and in this video I'm going to show you some of the products we've been working on as we move from the design phase to production of our new range of HO scale model railway buildings and structures, plus our new range of 3D printed scenic details. These scenic details are designed to make your model railway come to life. One of the many cool things about the model railway hobby is that it brings people from all walks of life. Whether it's recreating real life or a railway in miniature, it's that common interest in the trains that bring them together. Whether they do it by themselves or whether they join a club, they get great enjoyment from the hobby. For some, it's a simple oval layout. For others, it's a model railway empire with lots of trains running at the same time, picking up freight and passengers as they go. And then there's everybody else in between. The same thing is true when it comes to building model railway layouts. There are those that buy as much as they can pre-made, adding it to their layout and then running their trains. While there's others that scratch build every last detail, and that's where they get their enjoyment from the building of their model railway. In the middle, there are those that build from kits, with pre-made details that add the realism to their model railway, so that each scene serves a particular purpose. The first part of our design philosophy is to provide you with building and structure kits, complete with scenic details. Yet at the same time, they're very easy to build and very well detailed. Each of our kits come with well detailed instructions on how to build them. Plus we produce a video building one of the kits where we show you little tips and tricks on how to bring the scene to life itself. In addition to this, we're going to be adding a client forum where you can ask questions, get tips and tricks from other modelers just like you. Additionally, you'll be able to show off the models you've made. Now bear in mind, what I'm about to show you are photos of design mock-ups. Our new range of products fall into four main categories. Building kits that are made to be assembled as intended. In other words, kits that are of a particular structure like a station, a freight house, an engine shed, etc. Of course you can kit bash them and change them in any way you like, but they're primarily designed to be built as they were intended. The second category is that we've designed a modular building system for making HO scale model railway structures and buildings. It's a flexible system that's designed in such a way that you can build any style of building that you need for your railway, whether it's a commercial building, an industrial building, a shopping mall, or a local set of council offices, etc. Currently we have over 80 components in the system, primarily made up of panels that dovetail together to allow you to build the size and style of structure that you need. The third range of model kits that we have are made from our modular kit building system. These kits are complete with all of the details to have a finished building, or you can use them as a starting point to modify them to build whatever style of building that you need for your railway. Finally, the fourth group of products that we have are our 3D printed detail parts. It's those little details that add the realism to your railway. That's why with every kit that we produce, we add more 3D printed components to our range of 3D printed scenic details. We currently have over 160 3D printed Scenic details. So we're sure we have some Scenic details that will be right at home on your layout. But just in case we don't, send us an email with details about what you're looking for, and if possible a photo. And if we add it to the range, we'll give you yours free as a thank you. The second part of our design philosophy is very simple. It's all about you. We want to produce buildings and structure kits and 3D parts that you need for your rollway. And to do this, we invite you to simply join our newsletter list and our forum and let us know the things that you're looking for. If you send us an email with some photos or your building idea or your 3D model part that you're looking for, we'll put together a mock-up. We'll show it to our customers and the people on the forum, and if there's enough interest, we'll put it into production. And as a thank you to you, we'll give you the first one that we make, and we'll ship it to you wherever you are, free. We would love you to join our newsletter. There's a link below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell so you can join us on our journey to provide you with new products designed just for you. So you've now had a sneak peek at some of the models that we're working on. In fact, we're working on a range of 20 to 30 models that we're expecting to have in the marketplace by this Christmas. So over the coming weeks and months, we'll be releasing these products. We'll also be adding to the range of HO scale 3D printed parts. So stay tuned for those. Additionally, we're going to release a series of videos entitled On the Bench. The series will largely be how-to videos on model making for model railways. We'll also be including product reviews, tools, techniques for using those tools, paints and other materials that we use in our model making. We hope that this series will add to the enjoyment of your model making. Last thing, subscribe to our newsletter. We'll send you a thank you email with a 20% discount coupon for your first purchase. And if that purchase is over $125 US, we'll freight your product to you free of charge. Can't be fairer than that. So that's it for now. We'd love to be part of your model railroad journey as much as we'd love you to be part of our journey in bringing those new products and kits to market and producing what you're looking for. Have a great day. I'm Chris, the modeler at ABR Model Works.